Hello, third grade math students. This is the video for lesson 100. This is Monday, April 6, 2020. Hopefully you've already had time to work on your power-up for lesson 100. And now we are going to watch the video for the actual lesson, which is multiplying dollars and cents. So, if you had your textbook, please open up to page 602. If you don't, go ahead, pause the video, and then when you have it, open up to page 602, and then rejoin the video. Alright, on page 602, I'm just going to go ahead like I've been doing, just reading through. You can follow along and do the example problems in your notebook, and then I will have, I think there's 4 today, yep, A, B, C, D, where you will do some work, and then we'll check answers, and then you'll be able to start on your assignment for today. So, on page 602, new concept. In lesson 92, we learned how to multiply 3-digit numbers. We multiplied dollars and cents the same way. After multiplying, we must remember to write the dollar sign and the decimal point in the product. We had one just like this a couple of assignments ago. I forget if it was 97 or 98. But we had one where we had to do some multiplying with our dollars and cents. So, example number 1, it says Sergio bought 3 tickets to a movie for $7.75 each. What was the total price of the 3 tickets? So, when we write this down, put your bigger number up on top. In this case, it's here $7.75. Multiply it by 3. A little trick that I had mentioned in a previous lesson was when we're multiplying with dollars and cents, we need to make sure that we have our symbol and we have our decimal point. Just bring them right down, that way we are ready to go. Now we multiply the exact same way that we multiplied when we did a 3-digit by 1-digit number. Start with your number down the bottom. We're going to multiply this by what's in our pennies. In this case it's a 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. The 5 is going to come down. The 1 is going to carry over into our dimes. Then we're going to go back to this 3. Take this 3, multiply it by the 7. 3 times 7 is 21. You've got to remember to add this one to it, so it's 22. 2 comes down, down, and the other 2 brings over into our $1 place, or our ones place. Last, take our 3, multiply it by our 7, which is 21 again. Add the 2. So it should be $23.25. Notice that there was nowhere to carry when I did the 7 times the 3. It was 21, 22, 23. Just bring the whole thing down because there's nothing over past the ones place. So, for the price of those 3 tickets for Sergio, it would be $23.25. That was example number 1. Alright, let's do example number 2. Gwen put 430 pennies in a jar. She estimated she would need 6 times as many pennies to fill the jar completely. She multiplied $4.30 by 6 to estimate the value of the pennies in the jar. What is the product? So, $4.30, and we're going to multiply that by 6. Remember, bring your dollar sign down. Put your decimal point down. So, now it's just like our normal 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Take this number that's down the bottom, the 6. In this case, we're going to multiply it by the 0, because that's in our pennies. 6 times 0 is 0. Go back to our 6. We're going to multiply that by whatever in our dimes, our 10 cents. So 6 times 3 is 18. 8 goes down. 1 comes over into our dollars, our ones place. Finally, take our 6, multiply it by what's in our dollars. This is a 4, so 6 times 4 equals 24. Add the 1. And it should come out to $25.80. If we wanted to know about how many pennies that would be, All we have to do is get rid of this decimal point because we know that 100 pennies equals $1. So if we wanted to know how many pennies it would be 2,580 pennies. 2,580 pennies. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. You can turn your page or look over to the next one. We are on page 603, and I will write A, B, C, D down, and then I'll have you work on those in your notebooks. So, letter A. Letter A says 6 times $4. Letter B. 7 times $3.05. Letter C. 5 times $3.40. And letter D is 4 times $2.35. In your blue notebooks, I'd like you to work through those 4 lesson practice problems, A, B, C, D. So go ahead, pause the video, and when you are done working on those, go ahead and restart the video or resume the video, and we will talk about what the answers should be so you can check and see how you did. Go ahead, pause the video. Alright, welcome back. So, the first one is 6 times $4. That should give you an answer of, I didn't leave myself a lot of room, should be $24. Letter B, 7 times $3.05 should equal $21.35. $21.35. Letter C, 5 times $3.40 should equal $17 even, so $17 for letter C. And letter D, 4 times $2.35 should give us an answer of $9.40. Thank you for watching this video. You may begin working on your math assignment that begins on page 603.